So welcome to Out Your Shell. It's Bon Om Touk. This is a new holiday that we're going to be celebrating. There's a lot happening and there's so many more floats based on the river. Many boats that are going to be used to race. It's going to be a big competition. I can't wait to see it. So Bon Om Touk is a water festival. It's to celebrate the end of the rainy season, which means for many of us Westerners, foreigners, barangs, it's going to start getting hot. So let's have a look around. Tomorrow's going to be the start of the celebration. So join us. Make sure you like and subscribe. Find simplistic happiness. Okay, I'm done. I think about $20 to rent off, but everyone's having fun. It's very fun. See people over here going away, the decorations, very nice, very nice. See a mass of volunteers. Now that tourism's picking up and they have this public event, you get loads of volunteers. A few of them that I know and I've gone over and said hello to just to embarrass them. Loklu Sava saying hello. But they make sure that everything's clean. And on a personal note, it shows that Cambodian Siem Reap can have a very clean environment if really wanted, if really needed. But yeah, very nice, very nice. There you go. So thank you for watching. While I was looking at Bon Om Touk, there was so many forms of simplistic happiness. Even the little pink balloons with the face on it. Some people found it scary, others liked it. From the people of the upper class to the lower class, you saw loads of people come and gather around and enjoy this season, to celebrate the end of the rainy season. Myself getting a Khmer symbolic tattoo of peace under my peace tattoo. Amazing for me, amazing. Amazing world, thank you. Welcome to us. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're coming to Cambodia, this is a festival that has started again. The last one was in 2019, so I'm very fortunate to be a part of that. First one is up and running again. A lot of friends of mine and people I know have come out to celebrate it. Isa, Sai and I, we all enjoyed our time over the water festival. And tonight we don't have the dog, so I'm going to turn the camera off, stop thinking about work or what to do, and relax tonight. So, come out your shell, find simplistic happiness. Bye, bye.